have a special guest. Come on in.
Yeah! Ooh. The horsey. My horse is pretty slow. Okay, I'm just gonna go out there. Go back in your corner.
This is my friend Gavin.
Kevin, why are you in your corner?
Okay, this is my friend Gavin. So pass this thing we're doing today.
Wow.
Thank you. This is a Ninja Turtle box. Let's open it.
Go.
So this is Leonardo. He's the leader of the group. And he got these two katanas so he could fight the bad guys. And this is the smart one of the group. He got this bow staff, and he got yellow, and this one that's blue. And this one's Mikey. He's the silliest. He loves the cheese pizza. And he got nunchucks, and he's orange. And this one is the red one. He's the one who got these two sharp things. So he can beat the bad guys up. And this is Beef Boss, and this is Rocksteady, and this is Beef Boss. Beef Boss has the black glasses and the purple hair, and Beef Boss has this cool leather jacket, and Rocksteady is kind of a army rhino, and he has this cool pickaxe. And he has green and peach pants. That's all.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, there's a bad guy! Punch.
Ha.
Guys, there's a bad guy! You know what? Let's just chill here. No, we have to fight! Okay. Do.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Oh no, we have to run. We're never gonna make it. I was
We are
a
gonna make
runner.
Hey.
Wake up.
Oh, not my shield.
Who cares about your shoe? Oh no, I lost my shoe! Who cares? Yeah, we got him! No, I got him. 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 No, I got him.
Dude.
I got him!
Go.
Bye, guys. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.